Ontrak, we transform your career through our detailed assessment, training, and hands-on skill set development program that has been specifically designed to prepare you for the toughest challenges in the professional world.
After graduation, I am interested in networking field, but I have had no prior experience. During my search on internet, I have come across to the Ontrak training program. During the recent year, I have been provided a lot of experience regarding the latest trends and technologies that are implemented in the world.
I had an interest in data science, specifically deep learning and computer vision. This led me to discover Ontrak, where I learned hands-on applications of these technologies.
मैंने अपने करियर का आगाज़ एक यूके बेस्ड कंपनी से किया था. देन मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि जो स्किल सेट और नॉलेज मैंने अपनी डिग्री से लिया है वो काफ़ी नहीं है एक सक्सेसफुल कैरियर के लिए.
Ontrak has got you covered with its dedicated team of professionals who are adept with the latest cutting-edge technologies and with the research and development hailing directly from Silicon Valley.
I would recommend Ontrak training program to everyone, as I found no other institute that provides guidance with skill set that needs in the emerging IT industry.
Ontrak team provides the continuous support, guidance and career counseling that has enabled me to develop as a professional who is ready to take on the challenges of international market.
Ontrak में मैंने न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज़ पे काम करना सीखा और न्यू टूल्स पे भी काम किया मैंने और फिर मुझे इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में काम करने का मौका मिला. In my experience at Ontrak, I would recommend all aspiring professionals who are looking to develop a successful career path to join Ontrak program and attain a professional and advanced skill set that is not available in else.
Ontrak is leaps and bounds ahead of its competitors. Some of the leading technologies that we offer at our prestigious institution include cloud computing, software-defined networking, Internet of Things, data sciences, machine and deep learning, virtual and augmented reality, blockchain, predictive analytics, big data, and DevOps. Join us now and be a part of reshaping the future.